The next thing is how to design a photo book or a photo album for your family, for your friends, for your personal use, just to create a memory of yourself or of an event that you've participated, or of your wedding or a naming ceremony or anything. So Canva provides that for you very easily, and you can use their template to kind of design a photo book, or you can design it on your own and use a lot of animations to play it. Okay, so let's try to see how you can do photo book in Canva using a template. So you just come to the search bar and just search for photo book, and you can see photo book of this dimension or of this dimension or of this dimension, depending on your choice. So let's go with the bigger dimension, and you can see quite a number of them, but though some of them are quite paid. But you can just, as you hover over any of them, you can see the design, the different design. As you hover over it, you can see the photos coming out, and you can easily use them or to customize it to your liking and put in your photos also. Like this one is free. There's quite a lot of them that you can see that are very free that you can use. This one also is a family one. It's a free one also. You can easily use it and customize to your liking. I kind of like this one also. It looks fantastic. I like the brand, and it's a family one, and it's free also. See the color, it's very nice. So you can just select on any. So let's say we are selecting this one, and you can see all in all it's 22 pages. You can see all the photos are there, so you can just easily replace with your own family photo. Maybe you can just come over to your elements and just search for family photo, because this Canva is connected with Pixels and Pixabay and all that. You can easily find family photos, or you can easily find free photos that you can use without any copyright issue. Here you can find it very easily. So you can just select any if you like. Maybe this is about a trip that you want. You can just drag and drop, and you can just hit on this, and you can resize it and make it much better. So you can say the season, maybe the trip to Zanzibar. Maybe you travel to Zanzibar with your wife or thereabout. You can play around with the elements, these flowers. You can change them to customize to your brand or to your liking, and you can change the color of this background as well. And you can increase this size to make it a little bit bigger if you want. It all depends on your choice. Okay, so you can go to the next page. This is also a family photo, and you have your own photo. For example, doing something together, you can just easily drag and drop, and you can see it coming out just like that. Maybe this comes out in video format, and we don't want to include a video, so we can undo this, because this is a video. As you hover over, you will see it. So maybe you can drag, and this is, and drop. This is a photo. This is another moment. Maybe this is another moment that you're going to capture. You can just easily drag and drop, and you can easily customize, increase the size. Don't worry about the flower. You can find another location for it. You can just increase the size, bring the flower down here, or you can make it, you can bring it to the top here and make it a bit smaller. All right, you can make it smaller, and undo this, can make it smaller and put it at the top, and bring this one also to the bottom. So depending, it's all your test. Okay, depending on what kind of test you have, you can easily play around with this, make meaning out of it. So you can go to the next page. So this one contains 3 pages. You can just come on and just be dragging and dropping the photos accordingly. So you can just drag and drop photos. So you can see photos, and you can see quite a number of them. You can easily customize and just drag and drop. Maybe this one, if you don't have any from here, or you want to bring in any, you can easily bring that also from your, and double click also and centralize, and make sure you capture the right faces, and you can just go ahead and just drag and drop any. Showcases happiness and something. If you don't have, or you can go to the next one and you want to upload different one, you can just go to the normal method, come to upload, and you can navigate around. You go to anywhere you have, you can see anything, any picture, maybe something serious. Maybe you want to add this photo, it's already there, but maybe you want to upload it as a new photo and just bring it in. You can see it is coming. Once it is uploaded, you just drag and drop. You can double click and resize it to fit in, and you can drag and drop this one as well. Double click to fit in the content, and then you can drag and drop this one. Maybe you can put this photo or thereabouts. If you have any story that you may want to add, you can just come over, you can collapse this, and you can enable it also if you want. by clicking on anything to come back. So if you want to add any story to this or to this or to this, or at any given point, you can still come to text and maybe drag any story that you want to add. Maybe you can say the speaking moment, and select it, change the coloration to something like white, it becomes clear, something like that. Okay, so you can see it very clearly. So you can go to the next one and you can keep editing accordingly. You can keep editing. This one comes with a story. You can see daddy's boy, you can just edit. You can see mom's number one, fine. You can just edit and put your content and put anything you want, and you can add the page. You can add the page in between by just coming to the three dots, and you can add new page or duplicate a page or delete a page or add transitions as you move from one image to another. So you can play around with the transitions as well. You can add a given transition and you can see different transitions. You can put none, or you can put dissolve and move to the next one. Just simply dissolve, or you can slide just like so, or you can do circle wipe just like so, or you can do line wipe just like so, or you can do match and move just like so. So this is how to add transitions to your image within the font, the photo book. So you can just go ahead and keep editing, keep adding content, keep adding description, keep adding things that can keep the memory alive and fresh. Okay, until you are done, you can just come all the way here and just download the PDF version. Just click on download. You can come to PDF, just PDF standard, and then you can just click on download to download the whole 22 pages of your document. So let's try to download and see. All right, so it's about 20 megabytes. So you can see it has just downloaded. So let's try to see the quality and everything give you at a place. So you can see it over here. You close this, you can see your photo book done just like so, very easily. You can just navigate and keep seeing the photos just like so, and you'll be refreshing memory just like so, and you can see all the things that you put, including the description, the daddy's boy, the mom number one fan, and thereabout. So you can see everything as you put it. So you can put this, you can share it with your friends, you can do all sort of things with it. So Canva is your friend when it comes to graphic design or anything digital content that you want to design. Come to Canva and you find your answer to the questions that you have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.